Movano Incorporated, Move, Technical Analysis. General Overview and Trend. Movano Incorporated demonstrates extreme volatility over the past 3 months, characterized by erratic price swings and explosive volume surges. After a prolonged downtrend from June through mid-August, culminating in a low of 0.603 on August 28, the stock experienced a dramatic reversal. The most recent session, August 29, saw an extraordinary surge to close at 1.24, marking a 100.8% single-day increase. This violent shift overrides prior bearish momentum, placing the stock in a hypervolatile short-term uptrend. The medium-term trajectory remains uncertain due to the abrupt nature of the reversal and the stock's history of sharp reversals, price and volume. Price action reveals a stark contrast between periods of lethargy and violent spikes. The stock traded in a narrow 0.55 to 0.70 range for most of August before exploding to 1.31 intraday on August 29. Volume patterns are equally extreme, with baseline activity averaging 50k or 200k shares, punctuated by astronomical spikes, 19.9 m shares on August 15, 3.99 m on August 22, and a staggering 32.2 m shares on August 29. The recent close at 1.24 represents a critical inflection point, with the massive volume suggesting institutional involvement or a fundamental catalyst. Moving averages. Short-term averages are rapidly adjusting to the price explosion. The 5-day SMA at 0.765 and EMA at 0.839 lag significantly below the current price, reflecting the suddenness of the move. The 20-day SMA at 0.654 and EMA at 0.696 are similarly overshot, highlighting the magnitude of the breakout. The 200-day SMA at 2.581 and EMA at 2.573 remain far above the current price, indicating a long-term downtrend is still intact. The price's position above short and medium-term averages confirms a technical breakout, though the lagging nature of these averages warrants caution due to the recent volatility. Technical indicators. Indicators reflect extreme conditions. RSI at 77.22 is in overbought territory, while stochastic at 52.96 50.51 shows neutral momentum. MACD at 0.041 above the signal line at -0.003 shows bullish momentum is building. ATR at 0.118 is exceptionally high, consistent with the price explosion. ADX at 19.77 indicates a strengthening trend. OBV at 29.5 million shows massive accumulation, while Chaikin Oscillator at 2.09 million confirms strong buying pressure. CCI at 563.07 signals extreme bullish momentum, and Williams R at -9.13 indicates overbought conditions. Linear regression. Linear regression analysis reveals a steep upward trajectory in recent sessions, breaking sharply above the 3-month downtrend line. The slope has turned aggressively positive following the August 29 surge, though the sustainability of this move remains questionable given the historical volatility. The regression channel has widened dramatically, reflecting increased uncertainty and the stock's tendency for sharp reversals. Opening price forecast. Given the extreme volatility and recent momentum, the next session's opening is projected between 1.18 and 1.30. A gap above 1.30 could trigger short squeezing, while a drop below 1.18 might indicate profit-taking after the massive surge. The exceptional volume on August 29 suggests strong institutional interest, which could support higher openings. Resistance and support analysis. Key resistances are identified at 1.31, August 29 intraday high, 1.40, psychological level, and 1.60, June resistance. Critical supports lie at 1.00, psychological level, 0.90, recent consolidation base, and 0.80, August low. Current price at 1.24 sits 0.07 units below immediate resistance and 0.24 units above immediate support. This proximity to resistance suggests potential for a test of higher levels. Intraday high-low estimates. ATR at 0.118 implies an intraday range of plus or minus 0.118 from the prior close at 1.24. Projected high is 1.358 and projected low is 1.122. This wide range underscores extreme volatility, with potential for violent intraday swings given the recent trading patterns. Possible scenarios. 3 scenarios are plausible. First, a continuation of the rally above 1.31 could target 1.40 and 1.60, fueled by short covering and momentum chasing. Second, a sharp pullback to 1.00 or 0.90 might occur as traders take profits after the massive surge. Third, consolidation between 1.00 and 1.31 could establish a new trading range while the market digests the recent move. Technical indicators favor the bullish scenario but warn of potential exhaustion given the overbought readings. Conclusion: Movano is in a hypervolatile state following a dramatic reversal. The technical breakout above all moving averages and massive volume surge suggest significant institutional interest. However, the extreme overbought conditions and history of sharp reversals warrant caution. Short-term traders should monitor 1.31 resistance and 1.00 support closely. Long-term investors need confirmation of sustained momentum above 1.40 before committing capital. Risk management is essential given the stock's violent price swings, with position sizing and stop losses critical for navigating this high-risk, high-reward situation.